Well, good morning YouTube. It's the mobile phone footage here. A lovely, beautiful, sunny morning again. We've got a visitor. Elaine's come down. So I got her bike out of the garage and got her propped up, put her on, give her some buckets of water. I think she's going stir crazy, so she's giving her bike a clean. Sort of sitting in the house watching the telly. It's a beautiful morning. Back in a bit. You can't run dripping. YouTube. I can't have the music on because it'll get copyrighted. There we go. There's Elaine playing. I took over the bloody bike ramp there. Cleaning that bike in the sun. It's a bit of a mess in the garage, but the bike ramp would be with it clean as well. Anyhow, I'm going to get outside because couple of blinking grain wagons just went past there, or feed wagons. Feed wagons. Or grain wagons, would be grain wagons actually. You need a clean, like, a wash. The wash I don't trip over things here, like, because I've just tripped over the bloody ramp before. Hi Colin, cloning the number plate on now. You're right, I should have put a cloth over it. A bit late now, like. Toothbrush on now. Hello Mark. Yeah, ow. What? How the engine casing? Well, you can, you can. But there we go. Is that better, Colin?
What's the matter?
Because I didn't cover the number plate up. He's right, like, because people can clone your number plate. But I very rarely do, like. But
Alright, Colin, this isn't one of the hot ones.
Christine Adams is watching you now.
Hi, Christine.
To just to be saying to us, making herself a cup of tea or a cup of coffee and some custard creams, waiting for the action. Say hello to Alvin for you, sorry. Where is he? Alvin? Alvin? Oh. It's a live feed on Facebook, and Colin Bell's watching, he just says I've got to come and say hello to you. So.
Hey, Colin.
I love it. There you go, Colin. Are you still watching? There's Owen saying hello.
What's he up to?
I don't know. He hasn't replied yet. He hasn't replied, but I'll just I see him on bloody Facebook. I'm just putting it on Facebook so that people say, "Oh, doing some work, cleaning our bike."
Hands on, eh?
Hands on, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, the dog's want to be in on it as well. Come on, you're looking well. He says you're looking well, mate.
Ryan, just tell us.
Well, you just tell them. That's a lovely day, mate, again.
So you want any leaks? No, you should go out with leaks.
Oh, flipping that, we're both lovely, even I love leaks.
Well, they're going to get in the way, like, they should be out now anyway.
Yeah.
They're not too small, mate, but you can use them, like.
Nice. Aye, absolutely. Thanks very much. Aye. We're going back up at Alvin. Yep, there's another truck on the 68. I'll tell him Colin needs a way to get some leeks out the garden for us. Aye, Craig, I am catching some rays. It's a lovely day, like, absolutely great, look, yeah. Sun's in the bloody camera. There's Alvin digging the leeks out for her. The work's going on at the garage now. They've made a good start on it. So. There's Bodie. Oh, we've got a swallow there. We've got a swallow on the link. The swallows are back this week. Back from the South African trip. But there's a few back already. The house martins will be following in a week's time or something. 2 weeks time. No, I haven't got any horses, Chloe. He didn't want a donkey, like, but I've got my horses. But she likes donkeys. They're too tired. Couldn't look after them. Alright, at the minute we can't leave home. We've got to stay at home, but this time of the year, right until September, I'm usually away flipping every weekend and for weeks. I rescue donkeys. Usually away all the year, so too tiring, like. It's definitely too tiring for me. This boy can come with us. I can't afford a donkey in the motorhome. Well, I could, like, but I ain't can't I? Let's trip that one. Gone for a look on the A68 there. Now we're south, down towards Otterburn, and then down towards Newcastle, and that way is north, which is 4.8 miles from this spot to the Carter Bar, the Scottish border, up that road, the 68. Nice bit of breeze there. I definitely need to clean my bike, like, but today would have been a good day, but I plan to do our stuff today, but never mind. What Mikael just asked for to Mikael is they talking about the big grey thing at the trailer. Chloe, if that's what you're talking about. Is that what you're talking about? Oh, Willow says hello. Hello, Willow. going. That's the trailer. Ow! Just hit my ankle on the bloody bike ramp. That's what's in the trailer. The garage, the cave. No, I thought that does look a bit like a horse box. I see what you're saying about horses. No one you're seeing that. No, it's a bike trailer. Flipping out, I thought this one got out on. No, it's Elaine just bent over. She was blocked this one, like. I know. Hello, Jackie, how are you doing? Hope you're well. I'm not kicking off, blinking. Front again. Can't really see in the trailer like without the light on. Where are you? Hello Paul, how are you doing mate? Hope you're well. You're in cleaning that bike. Because it's sunny back there. What you took that off on the map for? I can't. There's plenty of cloth there, rags there. That's what you need on it when if it's dry. Oh, I can't get round the other way here. This garage is huge and I can't really get it, but I can get in it, like, but I'm trying to look. You should have just hung it over the fence. I should hang it over the fence at the back of the motorhome after I should just hang the water, but never mind. If you want to miss that, here's another thing. There's the work going on at the old filling station, which will be another filling station when they eventually get it all done, with a new cafe, half a dozen timber lodges and a fishing lake. Excellent. About time, mate. It's been empty it's been derelict for pretty a good few years now. Hello Gordon. I put the live stream on because Elaine decided she was, well, I talked her into coming down and washing her bike. Oh. I did, I? What do you think it arrived by itself, like? Oh. It is a lovely day, Gordon, you're right, aye. Just what I've been saying. Lovely, warm, sunny. It's been quite a canny couple of days. Actually, I got the grass cut the other day anyway. Oh, the body boy's gone. Aye. Nah, I don't do any cooking anymore. Give it up. This is the A68. and night traffic. Well, there's traffic on it, but not very much. It's better than the Sunday. Although it's not better really, because we need to get out of this lockdown so we can get back to some sort of normality with a bit of luck. I knew we kind of get. It would be unwise to end it now. Like, probably need to keep it going a couple of more weeks yet at least. There's a buzzard up there. That was not like nice because I held it up to the sky. I'd be a bit small on the phone, the buzzard like. Oh, is it, so there's a picture on its side, Colin? I'll end this one and I'll come straight back on, and if that's the case, I will see how. There's a car just gone past. There's a picture on its side, Colin, with a camera on its side. It's just when you take a picture, if you have the camera on its side, you get the full width picture. You don't get the tall narrow thing. But if it's like that now, I'll change it round. I've never done any of this with a mobile phone before, so no idea.